Good morning. It's 10 o'clock. I'm beginning my shift to the world. I want to try to start 9 o'clock, you know, inch earlier and earlier and earlier. Never mind my show in the background. It's face off. I have to watch something, the things that make sense. Or not, maybe just not to get bored, if that makes sense. So today, Beyonce dropped her trailer for like a rodeo Ivy Park type of drop. And yesterday I was planning out what hair I wanted to do today. And yesterday I was like, oh, I want to do like some Selena bangs, you know, like, cause it's a full body kind of hair from Nadula. And Nadula is notorious for sending me nice full body hair. Like, if one thing they gonna do is it's gonna be full, it's not gonna be batty, it's gonna give you a time, you know, like, you know what I'm saying? So I figured like, oh, you know, I'm gonna try some bangs with this joint. And then Beyonce had another drop this little trailer. So I said, okay, typical 1-2-1-2, Nadula's black box, you know, she keeps it chic. They sent me, which surprisingly had a dark skin cap. I may be actually able to use this. It's 24 inches, Brazilian hair body weight. I already tried it on yesterday. Lace is darker than most wigs that I normally get, which I'm very happy about. Are my hands ashy? Yes, they are. So I'll be right back. Lace already being on point. I did want to dye this hair black, jet black. I was going back and forth if I was gonna do it, but like I'm gonna just do the wig first, and if I want it jet black, then I'll go back and do it. So this is the hair as is. It's not terrible, but I was like, not terrible, like color wise, it's not terrible, but I was just like, you know, why go 8 when you go 10? Like I miss doing having jet black hair, but I will have to learn to do it myself. So I think this hair would be perfect to do the look that I'm looking for. All right, so luckily since I'm doing big old bangs, I don't really have to worry about the whole superlative plucking situation, which is the benefit to bangs. I'm going to be using this size of a wand. Normally I start left to right, but I want to just get the whole bottom section over with.
Now
Okay, so I've made it to the top, which is kind of the more important part. I had to re-look at the picture, how I'm curling this, and that I realized I'm going to frame the bangs after because I don't want to cut them too short. I'm over here looking at the pictures. I'm pretty sure you can leave the back, like as you curl, leave it down, but I when I get hot, I get irritated, so I had to just keep it pinned up, and then I'm gonna do like a little bit of makeup, and then you go, you know, just you get it. This is the bang area. Start just curling first and framing after, in my opinion. The curls towards right here are like towards the face, but I'm gonna start with a little bit behind where the framing gotta go, like that. All right, now for, I know I said I should wait, but I think that just, I'm gonna put a little frame right here. Okay, so I just put on a little bit of skin tint so everyone can just see that I'm not a bum. Let's see how this looks when I take it down. So what I am going to do is be grateful that I didn't cut too much of my bangs, but I could definitely go back in and comb some more. So what I'm gonna put some spray. Okay, how we feeling? It's not so much bang, but it is. This is very disco though, I'll tell you that. Okay, this is my whack at it.